Hello everyone, my name is Allie Trainer and this is my midterm presentation. Location, I am located at Fitness Quest. Fitness Quest is located in Sports Enhancement Center. It is on Empire Street and it's located in Bloomington, Illinois, and the population of Bloomington is around 80,000. Supervisor, my supervisor is Todd Lauder. He is the owner and CEO of Fitness Quest. He is also recently the head strength and conditioning coach at Wesleyan as of right now. Todd has a number of certifications. It's almost too long to even list. Internship roles. I mainly train athletes, and we usually train athletes in a group setting. There's anywhere from 2 to around 20 athletes in a session, and they all range from 10 years old all the way up to 18 years old. I also program for injured athletes, so we had an athlete with a stress fracture in her ankle, I believe. So whenever she needed a substitute, I would give her one, and she usually came 4 times a week, and we only program 2 days a week, so I would also program her off days that would just coincide with those other workouts. Another big role of mine is to complete the Bioforce Conditioning Certification. This is a certification by Joel Jameson. And then lastly, create memberships with Todd for Fitness Quest and DexaFit. So some of my likes, I love to train athletes. I'm also a CrossFit coach, so I just like being in that group setting and training anyone in a group setting. I have learned to like programming. It's very scientific and I love the process that goes into it. So I'm definitely getting better at programming and trusting myself with that. I also like working with Todd and asking him millions of questions and picking his brain, seeing what he picks up from something versus what I do. So it's really fun working with him. And then going through DexaFit tests like a DEXA scan, RMR, anything like that. And then I have a lot of freedom at my internship, which is also a negative. So dislikes schedule and working from home. Since I'm just taking a conditioning course, I mainly work from home. So it's a lot of making myself get on a schedule and grinding through hours of a conditioning certification, which is not necessarily up my alley. So next steps. Certifications, I would love my CrossFit level 2. So that just kind of goes through programming of CrossFit, and then eventually my level 3. I currently have my level 1 and I coach at a local CrossFit gym. Also my USAW 1, so that's just United States weightlifting. I also coach weightlifting at the CrossFit gym, and I really like weightlifting. That's mainly my own training right now. And then possibly my CS, I'm kind of unsure. As for whatever I want to do with my life, I'm not super sure yet. I would like to continue education and get my master's in exercise physiology.